एक खबर रसा एजेंसी को दिए इंटरव्यू में तालिबान के तर्जुमान सुहेल शाहीन ने वाज़ेह किया है कि अगर अमेरिका और बरतानिया अफगानिस्तान से इनखला की तारीख में तौसी का मुतालबा करती है तो ऐसे किसी भी मुतालबे को तालिबान तस्लीम नहीं करेंगे। वहीं सुहेल शाहीन ने कहा है कि अफगान शहरियों के मगरिबी ममालिक जाने की ख्वाहिश को डर या खौफ का नाम नहीं देकर माइशी माइग्रेशन का नाम दिया जाना चाहिए।
If the US or the UK wanted to extend the 31st of August deadline in order to continue evacuations out of the country, would you agree to that?
No.
Why not?
This is something you can say it's a red line. President Biden announced this agreement that until 31st of August they would withdraw all their military forces. So if they extend it, that means they are extending occupation. While there is no need for that, I think it will deteriorate the relation, will create mistrust between us. If they are intent on continuing the occupation, so it will provoke a reaction.
What would be your message to them?
First, I assure you, it is not about their worry and not about their scare. This is about they want their demand to resettle in Western countries, and that is a kind of economic migration, because Afghanistan is a poor country and 70% of the people of Afghanistan are living under the line of poverty. So everyone wants to resettle in Western countries to have a prosperous life. So that is. It is not about scare. Of course, for their justification to go there, they exaggerate, scare, and terrified, and so. So we know the Afghans. This is our society. This is not the fact they are scared.
What would you say to the families of those who died trying to help Afghanistan?
I first of all say they occupied our country. If we occupy your country, what you will say to me? If I killed your people in your country, what you will say? I think our people suffered a lot, bloodshed, destruction, everything. But we say the past is the past story, a part of our past history. Now we want to focus on future.
अफगानिस्तान में